Welcome to the WION podcast, where we explore fascinating stories and ideas from various fields. In this episode, we explore how a vast web of American bases across the Middle East quietly encircles Iran, revealing how airfields, fleets, bombers, and drones give Washington the power to strike from multiple directions without relying on forces from the mainland United States. The U.S. military operates from major bases in Qatar, Bahrain, Kuwait, and the UAE, effectively surrounding Iran with air and naval power. This network allows for simultaneous strikes from multiple directions, overwhelming enemy defenses. The Pentagon positions these assets to ensure that any potential conflict can be managed without relying solely on reinforcements from the U.S. mainland, maintaining a constant state of high readiness. Located in Qatar, Udeid Air Base hosts approximately 8,000 to 10,000 U.S. troops and the Combined Air Operations Center. This facility acts as the brain for U.S. Central Command's air campaigns, overseeing everything from drone surveillance to heavy bomber missions. It also features one of the longest runways in the region, capable of accommodating massive cargo planes and strategic bombers like the B-52 Stratofortress. Based in Bahrain, the U.S. Fifth Fleet patrols the Persian Gulf, Red Sea, and Strait of Hormuz with a robust flotilla of destroyers and minesweepers. Hosting over 9,000 personnel, this naval command ensures the free flow of oil while providing a mobile launch pad for Tomahawk land attack missiles. Their continuous presence directly counters Iranian small boat swarms and secures critical maritime choke points against mining or blockade attempts. Kuwait hosts approximately 13,500 U.S. personnel, the largest concentration of ground forces in the region, primarily at Camp Arifjan. This base serves as the essential logistics spine, storing pre-positioned heavy armor, tanks, and combat vehicles ready for rapid deployment. It allows the U.S. Army to mobilize thousands of combat-ready troops towards the Iranian border or into Iraq within days rather than weeks. The Al Dhafra Air Base in the UAE is a premier launch pad for American air superiority, hosting about 3,500 U.S. troops. It is one of the few overseas locations that regularly supports F-35 Lightning II and F-22 Raptor stealth fighters, which are critical for penetrating advanced radar systems. These fifth-generation jets give the U.S. the ability to strike high-value targets inside Iran while remaining virtually invisible to enemy air defenses. While often less publicized, Jordan's Muwafaq Sulti Air Base has become a critical hub for U.S. strike aircraft and drones. Hosting a significant portion of the 3,000 U.S. troops in the country, it supports F-15E Strike Eagles that can carry heavy ordnance loads for deep strike missions. The base's strategic location allows U.S. jets to operate efficiently over Syria and Iraq, maintaining pressure on Iranian-backed militia networks. In Saudi Arabia, the Prince Sultan Air Base has returned to prominence as a key node for U.S. missile defense. With roughly 2,500 troops, the base hosts Patriot and THAAD missile batteries designed to intercept incoming ballistic threats from Iran. It also provides an alternative airfield for fighter squadrons, adding depth to the U.S. basing network and complicating Iranian targeting calculations. The Al-Tanf garrison in southern Syria, though small with roughly 200 troops, sits on a vital strategic highway. Its presence effectively blocks a direct land corridor for Iranian weapons shipments moving through Iraq into Syria and Lebanon. Despite frequent drone harassment by pro-Iranian militias, U.S. forces maintain this outpost to disrupt the supply lines of the axis of resistance. The U.S. Air Force frequently rotates B-52 Stratofortress and B-1 Lancer bombers into the region or the nearby Indian Ocean base of Diego Garcia. These long-range strategic bombers can launch massive cruise missile salvos from outside Iranian airspace. Their deployments are often used as a show of force, signaling the U.S. capability to deliver devastating firepower against hardened nuclear or military sites. a fleet of MQ-9 Reaper drones and reconnaissance aircraft operates from various regional airfields to maintain 24/7 surveillance. These platforms provide real-time intelligence on Iranian troop movements, missile launch sites, and naval activities. This persistent eye in the sky ensures that US commanders have immediate situational awareness, enabling precise targeting for any potential offensive or defensive strikes. Thanks for tuning into this incredible story. If this episode resonated with you, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more captivating stories to come. Stay tuned.